Picture this. A world where medicine is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but is tailored specifically to your genetic blueprint. A future where instead of generic medicines, we're treated with personalized pills that only fight mutants in our DNA. And it's not just about curing diseases. How about supercomputers that store incredible amounts of data inside strands of DNA? Yeah, you heard that right. Our DNA could potentially be a high-density, low-energy consuming, super long-lasting storage device. But how could our DNA, the biological instructions that make us, be converted into this sci-fi tech marvel, you ask? Well, it's all thanks to a revolutionary field called DNA computing. Here, data is not stored as zeros and ones like it is in your laptop or smartphone, but rather as strands of DNA using its chemical structure. Imagine a strand of DNA which is like a millionth the size of a grain of sand, being able to store as much data as 1,000 high-end laptops can. But here's the kicker: while DNA is capable of storing such vast amounts of data, can it also be potentially hacked? Hacked might seem an odd word to use here, but yes, we can change, manipulate, and even reprogram the DNA's code. In the world of synthetic biology, scientists are already designing DNA from scratch to create new life forms not existing in nature. In fact, genetic hacking techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 allow us to edit genes, almost like a find and replace function in a text editor. Scientists can now locate the exact location of a gene causing a disease and replace or repair it, potentially curing genetic disorders. Sounds revolutionary, right? But this journey into the heart of our cells is complicated, exciting, and not without its dangers. So, as we continue exploring this futuristic landscape of DNA hacking, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for the power to play God? After all, manipulating our genetic code brings up a whole host of ethical, legal, and security issues. For starters, what if our DNA data falls into the wrong hands, leading to a new form of bioterrorism or genetic discrimination? On the bright side, it could accelerate the pace of medical breakthroughs, leading to cures for currently incurable genetic diseases. However, it's also possible that in trying to cure disease, we might accidentally create one or release an unintentional Pandora's box. And what about playing God? Do humans have the right to alter evolution and potentially create life on our own terms? Even if we do have the right, are we ready for the responsibility that comes with manipulating nature's code? Important questions with no easy answers. But as we stand on the cusp of this brave new world, they're questions we must weave into our scientific narrative. So stick around as we keep bringing you the most mind-blowing revelations from the world of DNA computing and biohacking. Until then, keep decoding. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nuance of Neurons for more insights into the fascinating world of science. Cheers!